This is NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards KWO35 broadcasting from New York City, operating on a frequency of 162.550 MHz. This transmitter is serving the New York City area, the Long Island area, and eastern New Jersey. The current time is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. An unusual weather event is currently unfolding across eastern New Jersey and around the New York City area. An unexpected development of thunderstorms has started across eastern New Jersey. These storms are currently not severe at this time. However, it should be expected that these storms could go severe at any moment. The forecast area is under an enhanced risk for severe weather this afternoon into the late evening hours. Storms that develop have the potential to bring hail up to golf ball size, wind gusts of 80 to 90 miles per hour, and the possibility of a few tornadoes. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 512 for northern and eastern New Jersey and for New York City and Long Island, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Severe thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and last into late evening. Storms have the potential to produce large hail up to golf ball size, winds in excess of 90 miles per hour, excessive lightning, and the potential for a few spin-up tornadoes. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 512 for northern and eastern New Jersey and for New York City and Long Island, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Severe thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and last into late evening. Storms have the potential to produce large hail up to golf ball size, winds in excess of 90 miles per hour, excessive lightning, and the potential for
The National Weather Service in New York City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in New Jersey: Hudson, Essex, and Union in New Jersey, and Brooklyn Borough in New York City, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Union, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. The severe thunderstorm will be near Union now. Elizabeth around 5:36 p.m., Bayonne around 5:47 p.m., Crown Heights around 6:05 p.m., John F. Kennedy International Airport around 6:28 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for eastern New Jersey, Long Island and New York City. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorms can produce tornadoes. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, and stay away from windows. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's deadliest killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
The 6 p.m. evening news starts now, and the story right now is the weather. We are currently tracking powerful severe storms in our area that is coming from New Jersey. Doppler radar is showing the storm starting to move into Brooklyn currently and is still moving eastward at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm warning for Hudson, Essex, and Union counties in New Jersey is likely going to be canceled soon as the storm is moving out of New Jersey. And as we look at this latest radar scan, it looks like the storm is getting a hook appearance on radar. I'm surprised that this storm has not been tornado warned yet, though considering that rotation is strengthening at velocity, it is likely a tornado warning may be issued shortly. And this just in, we are getting storm reports out of Hudson, Essex, and Union counties in New Jersey. There are areas of severe wind damage in Union County, with multiple trees down and power outages have been reported in northern Union County. Power has also been completely knocked out throughout all of Hudson County, including the city of Bayonne. And this report is something I have never expected to see from a severe thunderstorm. There are reports of cars that have broken down on the roadways throughout Hudson County during the storm, with witnesses reporting constant lightning when the mass car breakdowns occurred. This could very likely be the result of powerful EMP lightning. We don't know if lightning this powerful is still occurring, but it is possible that it may still be ongoing. All people in the New York City area who are in vehicles are asked to pull over immediately and shut down your vehicles immediately, as an attempt to keep them from being damaged from potential EMP lightning. If possible, seek a safer shelter immediately.
Tornado emergency for the New York City area. The National Weather Service in New York City has issued a tornado warning for the following counties in New York: Brooklyn, Queens, and Nassau, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Park Slope, or 10 miles west of John F. Kennedy International Airport, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the southern New York City area, including Brooklyn and Queens. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a wedge tornado was spotted crossing Interstate 278. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Crown Heights around 6:05 p.m., John F. Kennedy International Airport around 6:13 p.m., Valley Stream around 6:22 p.m. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter, and protect yourself from flying debris. In addition to a tornado, large destructive hail around golf ball size, straight-line winds of 90 miles per hour, and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. This storm has a history of causing widespread power outages and disabled vehicles in New Jersey. If you are in a vehicle, pull off to the side of the road, turn off the vehicle, and seek safe shelter immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7.9 has struck in the city of Bayonne, New Jersey. The quake is currently causing severe damage across eastern New Jersey. In addition, the United States Geological Survey has also noted that there is a spike of seismic activity across the entire northeastern United States, and more earthquakes of similar size to the ongoing Bayonne earthquake are possible. If an earthquake strikes, take the following precautions. If you are indoors, get under a sturdy piece of furniture to protect yourself from falling debris. If you are outdoors, get away from structures and head to an open area until the shaking stops. Please stay tuned to the station and other media outlets for more information on the situation as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey State Police. Civil danger warning for all of New Jersey until further notice. At 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, an unknown object has emerged from an intersection in the city of Bayonne where numerous lightning strikes occurred from a severe thunderstorm earlier today. This object emerged during the time of the magnitude 7.9 earthquake that struck just moments ago, and authorities believe that the emergence of this unknown object is the cause of the quake. This object has already caused catastrophic damage to the city of Bayonne and the object was reported to be vaporizing civilians. This is a very dangerous situation, and should not be ignored. If you are in Bayonne or the surrounding areas, stay away from the object, and listen to local authorities for further instructions. Stay tuned to the station and other media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Civil danger warning for the entire northeastern United States. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there were multiple reports of machines emerging from the streets in many major cities across the northeastern United States, causing severe seismic activity. The machines are also attacking people using an unknown ray, which vaporizes the victim entirely, and leaves only the victim's clothing behind. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and should be taken seriously. At this time, the entire northeastern United States is being placed under martial law until further notice. All civilians are asked to listen to all authorities for instructions and to take shelter where designated. It is still unknown of the origins of these machines and an investigation is currently ongoing to determine the origin. Stay tuned to the station and other media outlets for more information on this life-threatening situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Illinois National Guard. Civil danger warning for all of Illinois until further notice. At 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an unknown machine has emerged in the city of Chicago. This machine has been causing severe damage to buildings, and has been reported to be vaporizing people in the streets. This is likely the same type of machine that has been observed across numerous cities in the northeastern United States. In addition, it has been discovered that the machines contain a creature likely of extraterrestrial origins. Due to the machines attacking cities, it is believed that the intentions of these creatures are hostile. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and should not be ignored. If you see one of these machines, run away as fast as you can, and seek shelter underground or head to a designated shelter set up by the National Guard. Martial law is now in effect for all of Illinois until further notice. Stay tuned to this station and other media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the California National Guard. Civil danger warning for all of California until further notice. At 6:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, two machines have emerged out of the streets near Hollywood. These are believed to be the same machines that have been reported in the Midwestern and Northeastern states, and are believed to be of extraterrestrial origin. These machines are causing severe damage to structures and vaporizing people, causing instant death. It is also being reported that some people are not being vaporized, but are instead being abducted by these machines. It is unknown what the creatures controlling these machines intend to do with those abducted. This is a very dangerous situation, and should be taken seriously. If you see one of these machines, run away as fast as you possibly can, and seek shelter underground, and stay away from windows. Listen to local, state, and federal authorities for more instructions as they become available. Stay tuned to this station and other media outlets for more information on this extremely dangerous situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Stand by. Stand by. Stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by.
The following message has been given authorization of release by request of the President and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency has now been declared across the entire planet. Our planet is under attack. Throughout this afternoon and evening, machines have been emerging from within the streets of many cities across the globe. These machines, now being dubbed as tripods, have been confirmed to be very difficult to impossible to attack due to an invisible force field protecting the tripods. Catastrophic damage has been caused to many cities across the globe, and over 10 million people have been killed globally by these aliens. These cities include, but are not limited to, New York City, New York, Boston, Massachusetts, Chicago, Illinois, Toronto, Canada, Miami, Florida, Los Angeles, California, Seattle, Washington, Honolulu, Hawaii, London, England, Paris, France, Hong Kong, Seoul, South Korea, Tokyo, Japan, Moscow, Russia, Berlin, Germany, Rome, Italy, Athens, Greece, and Mexico City, Mexico. Due to the tripods being protected by a force field, it is uncertain at this time if this will be a war that will be won. All militaries across the planet will be working as hard as they possibly can to eradicate this threat from our planet, though confidence on success are currently low. If anyone is out there hearing this message, listen to the following instructions carefully to give yourself even the slightest chance of survival. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio for a survival kit, and grab anything you can use as a weapon and head to an underground shelter as soon as possible to hide yourself from the aliens. If an alien breaks into your home and finds you, make any attempt necessary to eradicate it. Martial law is now in effect nationwide until the threat is past. Please listen to all orders given by military personnel, as it may be vital to your safety. May the Lord be with you all during these hard times and during this crisis.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Well, over the past few days, the United States Army has discovered that the aliens have been dying off in the masses, likely due to infectious diseases on our planet that they are not immune to. While the danger to the United States is not over, yet it is likely that humanity will be winning this war against the extraterrestrial invaders. Shields in the tripods have been confirmed to be disabled now, and the military is working to kill off the remaining aliens. Please stay tuned to the station and other media outlets for more information as it becomes available. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an all clear for the entire United States. The alien invasion, that started almost 2 weeks ago, has officially come to an end. Humanity has won the war against the extraterrestrial invaders. Most of the aliens have been killed off due to diseases on the planet, and the remaining aliens have been killed off by military personnel. It is now safe to leave your shelter. However, many areas across the United States have severe damage due to the invasion, and it may take years for some areas to recover. Continue to listen to local and state authorities for more information regarding your area. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Repeating, this concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume.